Fill the space here.
You know your right
I gotta fill that up.
dominant.
So what I want to do is I want to lock my wrist. Have any of you ever done leg press before at the gym? That's where you lay on your back or you're trying to push the weights away from you. What do you do when you want to rest?
Your focus is the front side.
Stop. Straighten your legs out.
Right, you straighten your leg out, right.
The reason why you can do that is because, don't do that by the way, it's horrible for you.
Bring it back up to presentation.
Don't ever lock your knees out. But the reason why you can do that,
see equal height, equal height.
the reason why you can do that is because once you extend your arms all your legs all the way out, is the pressure from the weight is no longer on your muscles, it's on your joints. Which is why suddenly it feels light, because you're not using your muscles anymore, it's bad for your joints. We're going to use that to our advantage because that's strong. Just like when you're resting, it's like easy to do that. We want to do the same thing with our wrists. So we want to take that strong side wrist, turn it down so that our thumb's pointing towards our target. We want to lock our wrist. So that's going to make it less likely for that gun to be able to come up. It's going to recoil. You can't stop that.
So pull it back to the wall.
It's going to mitigate the recoil so by having your wrist locked down.
Slowly pull it back. Don't snap the trigger. Just pull it back slowly.
It's the same thing with your leg. Does that make sense?
Now, you should be gripping the shit out of it with your left hand, not your right. The right hand
strong hand. We're going to flag our thumb.
So this hand is going to be gripping like a hammer.
So thumb up.
This hand is gripping the shit out of it. You got it?
Can't, right? I'm going to point my thumb towards my target. Right? Fingers together. Now I'm going to put my index finger on my support hand, and I'm going to put that right against the trigger guard here, right on the bottom.
It's going to go away.
Okay?
The more rounds.
And then from there, I'm just going to wrap my hand. My hand comes around my other hand, right? And then my palm, or
from the wall,
just this meaty part right here, almost like a drumstick. We're going to mash that towards the top of the gun. Fingers against the trigger guard, thumb towards my target. I want to mash that. The reason why I have this thumb up is I want to make sure my left hand gets as high as possible. My left thumb here, now I'm holding the bottom of the gun. You see why people hold the bottom of the gun here? It's not efficient. It's not efficient at all. Left thumb up. Left hand gets priority. Alright? So now I'm going to put that in there. Trigger guard, thumb towards the target. I'm going to take my right thumb and just lay it on top of the other. Your thumbs aren't doing anything. They're just pointing towards the target. They're not doing a thing. If you didn't have thumbs restricted, this gun's just fine. So, trigger, against the trigger guard, right? Now with that left hand, I want to squeeze the life out of this gun. I don't want to squeeze support while I'm making it shake. Just less than that. Because you can dominate the shit out of this gun. Alright, so we really want to squeeze this gun like there's no tomorrow. Alright? So from there, we're going to line up our sights. Right, so this is where the technique is going to be different for cross-eye dominant, and also cross-eye dominant, super cross-eye dominant. All right. So I think Quasey probably told you to turn your head and move the gun a little bit.
Yeah.
All right. So what we're going to do is we want equal height, equal light. So we're looking through this little gap back here. That's our rear sight notch. Okay. On the front sight, there's a post. There's parts.
Give me the 14 when it's 14, me kill 14, what you know about AR-15, the class 16, making us start speed.